Welcome to gentle yoga to open up your shoulders and relax your neck. Starting in tabletop pose, come into your tabletop. Inhale for cow, exhale for cat, rounding your spine, tuck your chin in. Inhale for cow, arch your spine, shoulders down, tailbone up. Exhale for cat, press the ground away. Inhale for cow pose, slide the shoulders down, gaze up towards the sky. Exhale for cat, push the ground away, curl the spine in. Cow pose, inhale, gaze up. Exhale for cat, rounding your spine, push the ground away. Inhale for cow, gaze up to the sky. Exhale for cat, press the ground away. Inhale, come to center and take your child's pose. Exhale, sink the hips back to your heels. Release your arms forward and relax the forehead and shoulders. Breathing here. You can set an intention for your practice. My favorite mantra lately is I inhale miracles and I exhale my fears. And breathe, connect to the present moment. Soften your body, soften your mind. Whenever your mind wanders, gently remind yourself to focus back onto your breath. Take a side body stretch and walk the left palm to the left side of your mat. Place the right hand on top. Breathe into the right side body. With every inhale, lengthen the right side of your body. And with every exhale, soften your right hip back towards your right heel. More and more. Soften the shoulders away from each other. Soften your face, your eyebrows. And slowly take the right side. Walk the right hand to the right side of your mat. Left hand on top, forehead down. And breathe here for a few breaths. With every inhale, lengthen the left side of your body. Feel the space you create with every breath you take. And with every exhale, soften your left hip back more and more. And if your mind has wandered, bring it back to your breath. Let's slowly come back to child's pose. back to center. Thread the needle with the right arm. Inhale, slowly bring that right arm through beneath the left armpit. Soften the right cheek down. And we'll breathe here for a few breaths with our thread the needle variation in our child's pose. And with every exhale, soften and surrender the chest, the heart, the shoulders. With every inhale, expand. With every exhale, surrender and melt deeper and deeper into your mat. And on your next breath, slowly come back to center and gently switch sides. Bring the left arm under the right armpit, soften the left cheek down. Hips are relaxed back towards the heels, closing the eyes, connect inward, and breathe deeply. With every inhale, create space, expand. And with every exhale, soften deeper and deeper into the pose. With every inhale, lengthen and create space. With every exhale, soften deeper and deeper. Soften your jaw, relax your face. Soften your mouth, your eyebrows. Connect to your breath. Connect to the present moment. And slowly come back to child's pose here. And we will take our Shavasana here in child's pose. You can pause to take a longer Shavasana. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining. Please like and subscribe if you like to see more. And have a great rest of your day. Namaste.